Hey there, you're riding in the car with the Chiro. So I wanted to share a little bit about what I learned this past weekend when I was getting my continuing education credits. They're not always a fun experience because you got to spend a lot of time sitting and listening, and sometimes the topics are less than engaging, to say the least. But one thing that I got out of this weekend seminar, outside of enjoying breaking bread with my friends and colleagues that I only get to see a couple of times a year, and it's great fun. And if you follow me at all, you know that I like to have a good time. But there was one thing that stuck out to me when I heard this speaker talk, and he talked about a research study that was done studying strands of DNA. And the purpose of the study was to compare people who have back pain, who use traditional medical care, versus people who have back pain who use chiropractic care only when their back hurts, versus people who use chiropractic not only for their back pain resolution, but continue to utilize chiropractic on a wellness basis on a weekly basis. Fascinating. They found that when they studied telomeres, which is a piece of DNA strand, that the patients who used chiropractic care on a weekly basis had a longer strand of telomere, a longer DNA. And what that demonstrated is when you elongate that strand, these patients were healthier, they had less health crisis, and they had longer lives, meaning that strand dictated the longevity and the health of that patient. So, if you're one of those folks who thought, well, I've been going to the chiropractor, I go when I need to go, my back hurts, my neck hurts, I have headaches, whatever, I had a car accident, and when I'm done with my car accident, I don't need to go anymore because I feel fine, you have not allowed your telomere, your DNA strand, to elongate so that you can have a longer, healthier lifespan. Now, my question to you is this. We know statistically that chiropractic has a 78%, the latest research, 78% success rate, meaning patients were overall pleased with what they got. There is no medical procedure on the planet that has that level of success, first and foremost. But that being said, if you want to live a long, healthy life, why would you not invest in maintaining your spinal health and your nervous system function through regular chiropractic care? That's my question for you today. Why wouldn't you? If the research shows, and it does, that by getting regular wellness lifestyle chiropractic, meaning getting checked every week, like I do after every riding in the car with the Chiro, I head to my chiropractor and get my spine and nervous system checked so that I can be as healthy as possible for the rest of my life. And I know now research has proven that I'm elongating my life in a healthy way. Why wouldn't you do that? I'm not saying there's not room for medical attention. There is. Medical doctors do wonderful things and they do save lives. I have a physical therapist that I have a great relationship with, and sometimes we need to work together for the betterment of you, our patient. So I have no problem making sure that you see the very best providers in conjunction with maintaining your spine and nervous system, because the chiropractor is the only one skilled and qualified to give a chiropractic adjustment. We are the expert in that. And the research has now proven that we are the expert in allowing your telomeres, a strand of your DNA, to elongate, which prolongs your life in a healthy way. So if you're going to live to a ripe age of 90 to 100 years old, would you not want to live that life expressing your fullest health potential, reducing and or eliminating any need for medical intervention throughout your life? Isn't that something you'd want to do? I know it's something that I want in my life. So, I'm Dr. Anita from Mylan Family Chiropractic Center right here in Bayville, New Jersey. If you're not experiencing lifestyle wellness chiropractic care, you need to, if you want to live a long and healthy life, utilizing less medication, having less hospitalizations, and expanding your lifespan through health and chiropractic. Again, Dr. Anita, Milan Family Chiropractic Center right here in Bayville, New Jersey. You've been riding in the car with the chiro. If you haven't thought about it, or you've been to other chiropractors and they haven't shared that information with you, the research is out there. It's been out there. They need to get this continuing ed and learn and know about it. I'd love to be your family chiropractor, because doesn't everybody in your family deserve to have that DNA strand elongated from the beginning of life? I think they do. That's how I want to live. How do you want to live? See you on the next ride. Have a great day.